Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we would be discussing the current affairs for 19th of August. So let's get started. Okay, so the first question is, which is the first neighboring country with which India has made the air bubble agreement? Is it A. Sri Lanka, B. Bangladesh, C. Maldives, or D. Nepal? Okay, so the correct answer is C. Maldives. So, what is air bubble agreement or travel bubble agreement? It is an agreement wherein airlines from both countries enjoy similar sort of benefits. In the past, India created transport bubbles with countries such as US, France, and Germany. Under this agreement, in addition to Indian carriers, some from these countries are now permitted to operate to and fro services. And within the neighboring countries, Maldives has been the first country with which India signed the air bubble agreement, under which they would be developing or encouraging employment, tourism, and medical emergencies. Okay, then moving on to the next question. Which technology company has introduced a new educational portal called Assignments? Is it A. Microsoft, B. Google, C. Amazon, or D. Apple? Okay, so the correct answer is B. Google. So recently Google announced the launch of new tool which basically aims at helping teachers to check students' work in order to ensure it's properly cited. That means the data or the content that is being provided by the student is not stolen or copied from any particular source. Okay, then moving on to the next question. How many Indian villages will be connected with optical fiber in next 1000 days? Is it A 2 lakh, B 6 lakh, C 3 lakh, D 5 lakh, or E 4 lakh? Okay, so the correct answer is B 6 lakh. So recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the government of India would be undertaking a project under which 6 lakh villages will be connected with optical fiber network within next 1000 days. Beside that, a high speed internet connectivity via submarine optical fiber cable will be extended to Lakshadweep in that specified time period. Okay, then moving on to the next question. Which ministry has announced Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign? Is it A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Health and Family Affairs, C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, D. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, or E. Ministry of Panchayat Raj? Okay, so the correct answer is C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So recently, within the Union Territory of India, which is Jammu and Kashmir, Directorate of Social Welfare announced Nasha Mukt Bharat, that is Drug Free India campaign under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment of India. And this campaign is currently being run in 272 vulnerable districts of India, and now it would be like covering 10 districts of Jammu and Kashmir too. Okay, then moving on to the next question. Who is the first Indian cricketer to score century in all three formats? That is Test, ODI and T20? Is it A. MS Dhoni, B. Rohit Sharma, C. Suresh Raina, D. KL Rahul, or E. Virat Kohli? Let me tell you, one of them has like he has recently announced his retirement also. Okay, so the correct answer is C. Suresh Raina. So he scored a century in all the three formats, that is Test, ODI, and T20. Apart from Suresh Raina, MS Dhoni also declared his retirement from the international cricket. Okay, then moving on to the next question, which is the last question for the day. Who has been awarded the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's Special Award for his/her contribution in fighting COVID-19? Is it A. Sundar Pichai, B. Soumya Swaminathan, C. Kamal Harris, or D. Satya Nadella? Okay, so the correct answer is B. Soumya Swaminathan. Soumya Swaminathan is basically the chief scientist at WHO. So WHO stands for World Health Organization, and she was recognized with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Award, Special Award, for her advisory role in combating COVID-19 pandemic within the Tamil Nadu state. And this award was uh, given to her by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, which is K. Palani on the 74th Independence Day celebration. So that's it for the day. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.